Hello there, welcome to episode 52 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show something that I call the pinky block. And what it simply is that I'm using my pinky on the high E string, and I'm just resting it there so that I can play melodies on the B string without the E string ringing out or getting in the way. And I'm going to use Norwegian Wood as an example. I sometimes play the melody on the high E string like this. Like that. But it's nice, it's sort of a different sound to do it on the B and D strings. And otherwise, if I don't do this, I'd have to, block the high E string using my right hand, or using my left hand, which can get a little tricky as you're playing the melody down. So what I do is I'm just resting the pinky under that high E string, just totally stopping it like that. Resting it there like there. And then using my index finger to strum it, so. Lift it up, and bring it back again. So we can hit that chord without having the high E string ring out or have to be stopped by the left hand. So again. A lot of different ways you can use this. Really, anytime that you're playing something on the B string or the B and D strings, you can do this. If you're strumming a chord and you don't want that high E string to ring out, say like an F, and you don't want to have the major seventh in there, you just want the middle strings, or maybe even go between an F and a G on the middle strings. Instead of muting with your left hand, trying to mute it with your palm or the base of your fingers, just rest your pinky against there. It stops it totally dead. Yeah. So I hope this is useful to you. Yeah, as always, thanks so much for watching.